So, like a lot of people, we bought a Nintendo Switch when they first came out. And like a lot of people, we've had a little bit of a problem with the thumbsticks. Now, I've already changed them in these, but it was drift basically. And we tried various things, resetting them and what have you, none of it worked. And in the end, we just thought, right, we'll replace the thumbsticks, which is really easy to do on these. First, you'll need a kit, because Nintendo use some, they use these little Y-shaped ones. You can't really see it on there, but they're like a proprietary type screw. I don't know what they're called exactly. But you can buy these kits with everything you need in online. Ours also came with a couple of new thumbsticks. These are the old ones, but and like I said, it's easy to change. A little bit more fiddly than the other ones. This is the left-hand controller. But basically, all you need to do is take out the 4 screws, which we'll do there. There's one. And you have to use one of the little Y screwdrivers for that. Once you've done that, there's a little pick in here in the kits as well. They're not very tightly put together. Relatively easy to get in there. Let me just pop open. And you're in. So, to get at the thumbstick, what you need to do is take the battery out, which is there. You can see the cables for it there. And it is a bit fiddly, which is where the little tweezers come in. So there's the battery out. Now, strangely, we've got 2 sets of controllers, and in one set the battery is stuck down, and in the other set, as you can see, it's not. So there you go. Once you've got that bit out, you'll need one of the little sort of Phillips posi drive ones, and you need to take this bit out. And that's just a couple of screws. And these screws are small, so don't sneeze, because you'll lose them. And then, oh, there's one there as well. You should be able to take this whole assembly out. There we go. And you can see the back of the thumbstick there. In order to get at it easily, you need to take off some of these ribbon cables. This one, obviously, because it's covering the screw. You just flip the little catches up on them, which is easy enough. That, you can take that one out of the way, because it's just going to get in the way while we do this. So take that one out. Take that one out. You can get at the screw there, and then obviously you need to take one out for the thumbstick, which is that one there. So basically you just need to take this one, and that one out. And then all you've got to do, undo the 2 screws and the thumbstick will slide out. And then when you get your new one, just reverse the process basically. Pop it in, do the 2 screws up, connect the ribbon cables, and you're well away. And then obviously when you connect it back up to the console, make sure you recalibrate them and set the centers and what have you. You should be good to go. Like I said, it's a fairly easy fix. Doesn't take very long to do. The fiddliest part is getting the cables back in. And that's quite annoying, if I'm honest, because they get all over the place and you have to get them back in. I'll just pop that one back in. battery back in. Again, it's a fiddly affair. And the first time I changed them, I forgot to do this and couldn't figure out why the controller wouldn't work, but there you go. Okay, battery back in. All the other ribbons and that are on. Close it back up. Alright. Battery's connected. And that's it really. So it's a fairly simple thing to do. Apart from the fiddly aspects of it. Have it. Obviously that's a left hand one. The right hand ones are a little bit more fiddly in my opinion. Same kind of thing, once you get in there you have to take that piece out. But there is a ribbon cable. Just in there, which is easy to disconnect. There, you can see it just there, and you need to get that bit off to get to the thumbstick. And they'll all work because they're all kind of orientated the same way around. But that cable is a pain to get back in. It's a similar process to do that. And there we go. Put this one back together and that's it. I have got some pictures that I'll put in with the video so that everything's just a bit closer and you can see it, but there you go. It is a simple fix. The kit and 2 thumbsticks when we bought them, I think they cost about £10. I don't know really what the quality of these thumbsticks are compared to the ones that come with them. But these seems to work really well, and so far, touch wood, we've not experienced any controller drift or any issues with them, and that's that. Alright, thanks for watching.